Okay, the next thing we're going to deal with is the safety of doing the tune-up and dealing with some of the things that you have to deal with when you're dealing with your automotive vehicle. Okay, safety is important in all. Unless you have the proper tools to do it while the car is running. So you just want to steer away from that whole part of it. Then when you check your antifreeze, you don't want to do it after the car has been directly running, because it will possibly explode and it could scald you, and then that could cause you some issues too. Then dealing with gas in the vehicle, obviously you don't want it to touch anything hot because it is highly flammable, and you don't want any problems of that nature. So you just kind of want to keep up on all of the stuff, like get your oil, check out under the hood. Like maybe when you go fill your car up at the gas station, look under the hood to make sure everything is in its proper place. Get your oil changed regularly so you don't cause any damage to the engine itself. So you usually do that 3 months, 3,000 miles. And check the brakes whenever you do, like rotate your tires, and just want to look out for yourself at all costs. So that sums up the whole safety issue of being around an automotive vehicle.